Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a foam blaster that is a lot of fun for kiddos age 8 and up. So this is by a company called AGM MASTECH, and it is the A-Fire Blaster. This is the box that it's going to come in once you order it. And then it's going to include a little instruction sheet that tells you how to load it and all the features of it, how to assemble it. You basically, when you do assemble it, you're going to have to load the back trigger and the back piece here. They do include the little screwdriver. You're just going to attach 4 screws right there in the middle. Super, super easy to assemble. And then as you can see, here is the little rifle itself. A lot of fun. So it has these different clips you can put on the end that will go ahead and hold 6 shells on each side. And then one of the cool features about this guy is the back part is extendable, so you just have to pull straight out on the little pin, and then you can extend it out. So on the smaller side, it's about 27.5 inches long. With it fully extended, it's about 31.5 inches long. So that's a nice little feature of it. It also does have built-in safety features. So once the loading door is open on the side, you cannot pull the trigger. The trigger is locked, so that way you don't have to worry about accidentally pinching any fingers or anything like that. There is also on the side next to the trigger another safety button too. So if you do have the safety door closed, you can activate that, and that also will not allow you to pull the trigger. But as soon as you undo the safety, you are good to go. So that's a nice little feature. Now, you're going to get a ton of foam blasters. So as you can see, you're going to get 40 of these ones with a little suction cups. These are great for doing that target practice because they stick. You can see precisely where they've gone. Then you're going to get 20 of the little rubber tipped ones with little foam pieces. Great for long distance shooting. This thing can shoot really, really far, about 60 plus feet. It goes all the way across the yard if you aim it high enough. And it has, to what I can tell, pretty precise actual aiming. So if you are shooting towards like a bullseye area, it does pretty good on that aspect too. Now, it's going to also include a little bag of these little itty-bitty scatter-like shells. These will launch 3 of these at one time. And so they're going to include the little shells. They're these red ones. And you'll just load 3 of them in a row. And then when it blasts, it'll blast all 3 of these. And then the shell comes out to the side, just like the normal shells. Those are kind of cool, I will say, because these are really, really small. Make sure to keep them out of small kids' hands or pets or anything like that. And they do kind of disappear after a little bit of a while. But they come in these nice, like they just load in the shells. As far as the regular foam bullet things, they just go in these little blue shells right here. Super easy. They're a nice snug fit so they don't fall out or anything like that. Just slide it in place and you're good to go. Now, how you're going to load up the device itself, there is on the bottom, you can load it up, just open the little plastic door, and then you can just slot them in on the bottom if you wish. Or you can slot them in on the side. Now, if you're just doing the one on the side, you're just going to be able to do one. However, if you go ahead and slot them in the bottom, you're going to be able to do multiple of them. You'll also notice it's clear plastic part here when it's open. That gives you an idea. This shows you how much little ammo left you have. So there will kind of, once this disappears, that means you're on your last one. You're going to fit about 3 or 4 in here as when you're utilizing it before you have to reload. But like I said, you've got 6 on each side. So you can have a lot of little pellet bullets with you, which is really fun and a lot of great activities when you're playing outdoors. But overall, it's a very easy to use, a lot of fun for the kiddos. So like I said, if you are looking for some fun target practice or little foam blasters for the kiddos, I think this set is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.